Welcome to an exciting journey of creativity. Today, we'll show you how to elevate your selfies into fabulous portrait typography. First, choose a fantastic selfie. Make sure it captures your personality and mood. A smile works wonders. Next, upload your chosen selfie into the Nano Banana Pro app. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Now, select your favorite typography style. Explore different fonts that match your vibe, from chic to funky. Customize your text. Add your name or an inspiring quote that resonates with you. This is your unique expression. Finally, export your creation. Share it on social media or print it as wall art. Your selfie has truly transformed. There you have it. With Nano Banana Pro, turning selfies into typography is easy. Just let your creativity flow. Remember, every selfie tells a story. How will you express yours? Dive in and create today. Don't forget to follow our channel for more creative tips and tricks. Exciting content awaits. Join our community of creators and share your fabulous designs. Let's inspire each other. Here's to creativity. Happy exploring with Nano Banana Pro. Your next masterpiece is just a selfie away. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep creating and keep smiling.